Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best lick mats for dogs that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the mighty Paw Dog Lick Pad. There are so many different patterns on dog lick mats that aim to target a dog's specific needs. For example, different patterns are intended to help with anxiety, provide a distraction, help with play, or even provide easy feeding. So before you start thinking that you'll need to buy several different lick pads for your tightly wound doggy, consider this lick pad from Mighty Paw that has 4 separate quadrants that all target different needs. One area is made of a large waffle pattern that allows for easy licking, while another features densely packed nubs. That means your dog will have to work harder and longer to lick up their food, which provides a great distraction. This mat is made out of food-safe quality silicone that measures 9 by 5 inches. It also features dozens of suction cups on the back to help keep it in place. You can try out each section, one at a time, or cover the whole mat in food and let your dog enjoy the challenge that each quadrant brings to their mealtime. Moving on, at number 4, we have the HyperPet IQ treat mats. An important part of picking out a lick mat is to make sure that your dog likes the pattern of the mat, so this 2-pack comes in handy. It comes with 2 separate patterns so you can test which pattern your dog likes better, or if you have 2 dogs, then both puppies can get in on the fun. This 2-pack is for small and medium dogs and measures 8 by 8 inches. If you have a larger dog at home, you may want to consider the large model, which measures 11 by 11 inches. These lick mats are also made out of FDA-grade TPE, a type of plastic that acts like rubber. This type of plastic also means you can freeze the mat or put it in the microwave. At number 3, we have the Aquapaw Slow Treater. Bath time can be particularly stressful for some dogs, and finding ways to keep them happily distracted during a bath can go a long way to getting you both through it. Equipped with suction cups, this mat lets you stick it on almost any smooth surface, including the tiles around your bathtub. Not only will it keep your pooch occupied while they are licking off their favorite treat, but it also means you are more likely to keep them facing the right way during their bath. This lick pad comes in 2 varieties, with a triangle-shaped mat at 6.7 inches across and a larger square-shaped mat measuring 9 inches on all sides. These lick mats come off easily and can be moved almost anywhere. The depth of the pad means that you can pack in more of their favorite treat and extend the time it takes them to finish licking. These lick pads are made of silicone and are dishwasher safe. You can even fill the lick pad and pop it in the freezer, so it takes your dog even longer to lick the mat clean. At number 2, we have the Lick Pad. If you have a smaller dog that doesn't need as much food spread on their mat as larger dogs, then this may be the better choice for you and your small pooch. It is made of silicone and sticks to most smooth, solid surfaces without using suction cups. The length of the pad is 9.5 by 4.5 inches wide. While it is as long as most other large-sized lick pads, its shorter width equals less surface area overall than other 8 by 8 inch mats. The little nubs are also more spread out and not as tall, meaning that they can be cleaned quickly and don't take as much time to finish. This pad is not great for larger dogs who are likely to finish quickly and return to whatever activity you were trying to distract them from, but the size is just right for little dogs. And finally, at number 1, we have the Boence Slow Dispensing Treater Mat. As any dog lover knows, picky dogs can be tough to shop for because you never know quite what they will like or dislike. Certain treats may not tickle their taste buds, or a new squeaky toy may not squeak just right, meaning your new purchase gets abandoned on the floor. Thus, if you're trying something new, like lick pads, you may want to find a lower-priced item to make sure your pup likes it before investing in a fancier model. This lick pad comes in either red or blue, or as a 3-pack with blue, red and yellow. Even the 3-pack is at a lower price than most single lick mats. Each lick pad is a circle shape with a complicated pattern on each one to help slow down your dog's licking time, and measures 5.9 inches from end to end. This type of lick pad also has the added bonus of 37 little suction cups on the back to help it stick easily to most smooth surfaces. Glass, windows, and tile are the most recommended places to guarantee a good stick, but it also has a hanging hole at the top so you can hang it on a hook. This works great if you are using those quick sticky hooks too. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.